Welcome back, Meatless Dish family. Today we're making a meatless chili and sour cream that checks all the boxes. It's hearty, spicy, gluten and dairy-free, and tastes delicious. If you're new here, I lost over 60 pounds in 2019 and kept it off by cleaning up what I eat without sacrificing taste. This is what I make when it's cold outside. This chili will keep you nice and warm for days. If you're feeling a little chilly, let's make some good. This is everything you're gonna need to make this chili. It's all organic, but feel free to substitute as you see fit. The ingredients for the sour cream aren't included here. I will do a quick run through of the recipe in this video. I plan on doing a separate sour cream video in the near future though. As always, the ingredients and measurements will also be listed in the description. Now let's take care of business. Time to work our magic on this onion. Quick plan. Let's roughly chop it into half-inch pieces. Set it aside. Let's shoot some craps with the garlic. Chop it into small pieces. Set it aside. Now with our green and red peppers, are we stopping or going? Let's go, chop them up. Set them aside. Now we're gonna roughly chop 8 ounces of white mushrooms so they'll fit into the food processor later. Again, set them aside. I'm pulling out the plastic for this one. Spread out 5 ounces of chipotle peppers in adobo sauce and chop them up. I'm not gonna say it. Let's chop up some green onions for garnish. You know what to do. Roll out the jalapenos. Cut off the stems, slice 2 in half and remove the center and seeds. Chop them up. The last one's gonna be for garnish, so slice it up. Same deal. Now we're gonna get our seasoning ready so we can easily toss them in when it's time while cooking. 2 teaspoons of pink Himalayan sea salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoons chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Oh yeah. Set it aside. Now onto the food processor. Throw the mushrooms in there and give them a few chops. That'll do it. Set it aside. Let's get cooking. Preheat a pot on medium. Add some olive oil. And then the chopped onions, cook for about a minute. Add the red and green peppers, cook for another minute. Now add the diced jalapenos, garlic, mushrooms, cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Let's add the chipotle peppers. Now our seasoning that we prepared earlier. Give it a mix. Let's add 2 16-ounce can of drained kidney beans, 1 16-ounce can of drained pinto beans, and a 16-ounce can of drained black beans. Give it a good mix. Let's crank the heat on high, bring it to a boil, stirring it occasionally. Once you have a good boil going, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about an hour. For a thicker chili, let it simmer on medium with the top off for about 20 minutes or more first. Otherwise, simmer on low with the top on for about an hour, which is what we're doing here. And while that's cooking, we can make our dairy-free sour cream. As I said earlier, I'll do a quick run through here, but we'll have a dedicated sour cream video in the near future. Again, everything here is organic. In a good blender, add 1 cup of distilled water, 1 cup of Brazil nuts soaked for at least 30 minutes, then drained, 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas deskinned, the juice of 2 limes, 4 teaspoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and a half teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. Blend until creamy. Remember that chili? It's all ready to go. This chili tastes so good, you might just subscribe. Let's take this moment to appreciate what we just created. Thanks for watching.